Hello everyone, welcome to Orlando. My name is Edgardo Ayala with Top Florida Homes. Today we are in 2437 Healy Drive. This is a well-maintained property, almost 1,400 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, and a beautiful swimming pool. Let's go inside to see it. Hey, so welcome home. Let me show you first all the bed and bathroom that we have in this property. You can see here, this is bed number 1. Then you're gonna see bed number 2. Then you're gonna see the master. The master actually have a door to the outside, to the backyard with a full bathroom. And then right here on the first left-hand side, you're gonna see the visitor's bathroom. As you can see, this is a wide open space property, right? Here's the kitchen, upgraded countertop, upgraded cabinet, stainless steels, appliances. The living room is right here. And then back here, we actually have the laundry room, mini pantry as well. Huge space as well to storage all your needs. Let me show you the best part of the property, which is the swimming pool outside. Follow me through here. As promised, this is the best part of the house, at least for me, right? As you can see, beautiful lanai out here. We also have a shower out there before you go to the swimming pool as well. And like I told you earlier, there's actually a door that actually drive you back here from the master bedroom. And if you can see, it's a wide open space backyard, well maintained, and of course, the swimming pool. I think the deepest part is 8 feet, which is actually a pretty good size of swimming pool. Oh, I forgot to mention, the best part of the property, no HOA. So in this property, you actually can do basically everything that you would like to do. If you have any questions, just hit the button in the bottom. My phone number is there, Edgardo Ayala, Top Florida Homes. Thank you for coming. Have a good day.